10 Best YouTube Channel Ideas. More views, watch time and subscribers, and money. 1. Unboxing. Unboxing videos are videos of people opening or unboxing a product, usually for the first time. These videos often detail the packaging and contents of a product, as well as provide an initial review. 2. Gaming videos. Gaming videos may take the form of gaming streams and live streams, let's plays, walkthroughs and/or tutorials for different games. 3. Tutorials and how-to videos. Tutorials and how-to videos detail step-by-step instructions for completing tasks or activities, such as doing makeup or fixing cars. 4. Music videos. Music videos are short films or videos which visualize a song being performed by its performing artist or band. 5. Pranks and challenges. Pranks and challenge videos generally feature participants attempting to outdo each other in completing a challenging task, whether physical or mental in nature. 6. Reviews, vlogs, opinion pieces. Reviews, vlogs, and opinion pieces express views on certain topics or items through personal experience, critical analysis, reviews, assessments without merit-based judgment, etc. 7. Cooking and recipe videos. Cooking and recipe videos provide visual recipes for viewers to follow along with when preparing food at home. 8. Travel diaries and adventure videos. Travel diaries and adventure videos document a person's journey through different locations and often include snippets from people's everyday lives as they explore their surroundings. 9. Interviews, question and answers and talks. Interviews, Q&As and talks involve conversations between individuals in which one party typically asks questions while the other answers them based on their expertise on the topic at hand. 10. Educational videos. Finally, educational videos aim to impart knowledge on topics such as history, science and mathematics by providing visual aids such as graphics and animations. The video looked like this. Thank you very much for watching. Like the video.